Okay, guys, it's Jean. And I totally forgot. I have to do my um, winner for the Walmart Summer Beauty Box, to which I got two. So we are at the random comment picker. Here's the URL. Summer was the word to pick, and I got 22 comments. So we're going to go over here. Oops, sorry. I'm so not good at this. And we are going, thank you for everybody for entering. We're going to go over here and hit the start button, and good luck. Kimmy's boxes. All right, Kimmy. I love summer so much. I'm not a winter gal at all. Hate it. All right, Kimmy, you are the winner. Congratulations. And I will certainly get in touch with you because I can. And I know you're subscribed to my channel. So, all right. Congratulations to Kimmy. Everybody say congratulations to her in the comments below. Thanks again, guys, for watching my videos and entering my sneaky giveaway. And I will see you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye.